we've got the biggest thunderstorm I've seen in a very long time going on right now. I'll try some footage. Oh yeah. Oh yes, bit of fog. Ooh. Oh my word. Press the wrong button. What on?
You know what time it is? You know what time it is? You know what time it is? Pop in a box time.
Number 92.
Number 78.
Or is it 42? Who knows?
It is September's pop unboxing. So,
Vicious rip. Second half of the box coming. Come on.
you don't need the box, it's alright.
This one's there, bro. Yeah, cool. Don't like this.
This is nice. I like this one more.
You wanna go first? May go first? Just come out, I'll go first.
Alright. Oh,
Oh, it is nice. Yeah. This is President Snow from the Hunger Games trilogy. Is it a trilogy?
I'll take there's 4 movies, isn't there?
Yeah, rubbish. Get him out. Let's get him out of his
I've got
cage.
Spot from Good Dinosaur, the Disney Pixar movie. It's very good. I like it. I like him a lot.
Ooh, look at that.
It's even got a backdrop.
Fire.
About 5-minute movies, that. Got his flower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is, that's good. Yeah. I can't tell where the fuck is this happening because of I can't see the screen. See,
There's a good bit.
patterned tux drink, the poison drink, white rose.
No.
There he is.
Here's Spot. He's a tiny guy. Leafed.
He's got a leaf.
Leafed pants.
Yeah.
He's good. Another Disney one, which I like. And there's only one more in my collection.
There it is. I've got a few. Oh yeah.
I didn't even know they did Hunger Games ones.
Look at that fire one. I want that. It's what I do. You know, like you get the collection like that. But like, I only choose on my thing, I only tick one. Like there's 4 Katniss. I just choose the best one. Like with the Harry Potters.
Yeah.
I don't.
There is a lot of the same character. I have the Joker twice in different forms. It happens. Some of them are good. Some of them are not. Well, this has been a good haul. It's been a good 2.
That's a good one.
2 characters there. I watched the last 2 of the games the other day.
I still haven't seen it.
I must say, it's a terrible movie.
Disappointing. Why didn't they just make one film? Silly.
There's a rapid movie review for you. Hunger Games, whatever it's called, Part 2. Terrible.
I bought The Good Dinosaur Blu-ray.
Yeah, I need to get it. I
Still
haven't seen
got
it
the-
since the cinema.
It's still got the Pixar covers.
The Good Dinosaur, a good film. Not amazing, but it
I liked it. It made me cry.
it was alright. But I enjoyed it, and I like the pop. So there are our pops. September, done. Flying through 'em now, flying through 'em.
Nearly.
Rapid fire.
Nearly the end. Right at the end.
It'll be.
Doesn't seem like it's been nearly a year.
Done.
Pops.
But birthdays and Christmas are coming up, so we might potentially get extra pops.
Did you miss Jan? We missed January, didn't we?
Can't remember.
I believe we did.
We've shown them all as pops anyway, so we caught up.
No, I mean we didn't get one for January
no,
because
we
we started it late.
Yeah. But yeah, birthdays for us around the corner, literally.
Ooh.
So we might get a pop or 2, we might not. Christmas, definitely.
Definitely pop time.
Definitely. We'll give you a big.
Christmas haul. Usually all the presents I get at Christmas are worthy of this channel, like video.
Again, we might.
It's always
We will get a collection of any
Disney
or Harry Potter or Universal related stuff together for you. For a major Christmas, but it's a long Christmas, is a long time.
Yeah.
Although it's coming very fast now. But that's for a different time.
It's been swell.
Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscription, give us a comment, let us know, are these pops good? Would you like these pops?
I would, yeah. They depends.
Would you
Dylan would definitely.
like them?
He's not a fan of the pops because he thinks some of them aren't distinguished enough to even tell who they are, so he thinks they're a bit pointless. But I think he would like that. I think I might have won him over.
All the ones I've seen look just like the character. So I like them. Obviously we like them, otherwise we won't be buying them every month, will we? And you should buy them too. There'll be a link down there.
Downstairs.
There'll be a little link if you
I
want
mentioned
to,
downstairs in a long time.
if you want to, we stopped doing it. But downstairs there'll be a link to do your own. If you want to be a, what would you call it?
A popite.
Popite. If you want to be a popite, you can have. So go down there. The link is there.
Pop in a box.
You might get some cool rewards if you do. You'll see.
Yeah,
You'll see.
yeah.
But we'll see you next month, October. My birthday month.
Ooh, what if we get like Halloween themed?
So you have to make it a good one for my birthday. Pop in a box. Preferably one of the new Day ones that have come out because they look fantastic. So this has been September.
Yeah.
This has been Spot and President Snow. Thank you, thank you, thank you.